Let's look at some bad user practices which affect our PC's performance and slows it down. 1. Keeping too many files and folders on the desktop. 2. Adopting the habit of too many cut and paste. 3. Putting your computer on hibernation or sleep all the time. 4. Not cleaning up temporarily files regularly. 5. Keeping too many instances of same files. 6. Allowing too many starts-up programs. All of these habits can slow down your computer. Now, let's look at some solutions. Organize all your files by 1. Making one folder on the desktop and keeping all other files in it. 2. Keeping your files in their respective folders as follows. Documents in Documents folder. Pictures in Pictures folder. Videos in Videos folder. Avoid too many cut and paste, as it causes file fragmentation. Do not put your PC on hibernation, or sleep all the time. Turn it off completely instead. Delete all temporarily files regularly. Watch the previous video on how to delete temporarily files. Do not keep instances of same files on your computer. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Watch the following video to see how you can disable startup programs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials.